Musical theory, eh? I can explain this in no complicated terms, no overwhelm, just the basics that you need to understand the fretboard, chords and the songs you want to play. Welcome back to Guitar with me, where I teach beginners to play guitar the easy way. Music theory is a simple way of understanding why things sound good on your guitar. It's not about reading sheet music, it's about knowing why chords work, how notes fit together, and how to move around the fretboard with confidence. There are only 7 letters in music: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. After G, it repeats back to A, just like the alphabet looping. Your guitar neck is basically these letters repeating over and over, higher and higher in pitch as you go up the frets. In between these letters, we have what is known as sharps and flats. For example, A sharp means that the note goes up 1 fret, and A flat means the note goes down 1 fret. So every single fret on your guitar is a new note, either a letter, a sharp, or a flat. So what is a scale? A scale is a group of notes that sound good together. The most important one for beginners is the major scale, a happy sounding scale used in tons of songs. On guitar, a whole is skipping a fret. A half is moving 1 fret. An example of this is the C major. So what are chords? Chords are just 2 or more notes played at the same time, and most beginner acoustic songs use open chords. Open chords come from the C major scale. So for example, the open C chord comes from the C major scale, and the open G chord is built up from the G major scale. Another example of this these chords all come from their matching scales. Most acoustic songs use 4 simple chords. In the key of G, these are G, D, E minor, and C. Now these 4 chords show up in hundreds of acoustic songs. Finally, rhythm. This is the underrated secret. Music theory isn't just notes, it's also rhythm. Start with a simple down-up pattern. This one pattern works with 90% of beginner songs. Why this matters for acoustic guitarists? When you understand the basics of music theory, everything becomes easier. Switching chords, learning songs faster, understanding keys, creating your own strumming patterns, and even writing your own music. If this made music theory make sense, hit the like and subscribe button, and do check out in the comments to join my school community. This is a great place for beginner guitarists to get together, meet, share and learn. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.